Hey everybody, this is Jim with Colton RV and Marine. We want to take you for a spin today since it is so nice out. So today we are on a 2024 24-foot SBDH made by Sunchaser. So it is hot out, so before we leave, we're going to show you the bimini really quick so we don't sweat the entire ride. So the bimini on this boat is automatic, and to open it, yes, you need to put it all the way down. But it is that simple with a flick of a button right at your helm. You're gonna unlock your bimini clip of your zippers. Two very quick zippers up and around your navigation pole. And we are going to stow that in there really quick. And then my favorite part is up we go. Instant shade. Beats all the old manual stuff that you guys see. You'll see how big of a surface area this gives off. Now out at the coves, what we do at the coves when we're sunbathing is we will pitch it and stop it from wherever we need it. Now when you're underway, you're gonna lock the front legs in, like so it doesn't unfold on us. And it's that easy. Keeps you guys cool in the summer sun. Now this is powered with a Yamaha Show 200. You can see how quiet that is. And then look at all this room in the back. Everybody loves an extended deck. The 24 has swim up transom speakers with a swim up transom remote. So you are not getting out of the water once you get in to change your tunes. And then this big sun pad is massive. And we have the cover under here. But yes, it is massive to hang out. Enjoy all your friends while they swim, and you enjoy the weather. Man, it is nice out. So we do have the massive ski tow bar here for all your riding, wakeboards, tubes, skis. A lot of people, which we don't have on this particular boat, they'll put the grill here. It's nice to flip burgers, cook hot dogs back here on one of the grills that we store in our pro shop. And then the ladder, easily in the water like so. It's stainless steel. What I like about this ladder is the massive stainless steel handrail. Help you get in and off of the boat. Because we are going to soak up as much Western New York weather as we can. One rope, two ropes. And what I like to do when I am at my docks, especially when I'm by myself, is we like to walk the boats out. No sense in being cute and driving them out. Even though, yes, guys, I can do that. But all boaters should err on the side of caution while docking. That way you can always enjoy the day. And just a little bit of counter steering, and we're out of here. Now we can kind of go over the functions of the boat as we creep out of Lumberjacks here on River Road on the gorgeous Niagara. This has a Humminbird Helix 5. So it is a fish finder and a chart plotter. So it has GPS. So as you're out on the Niagara, you'll be able to see the Niagara on your screen, and it'll tell you exactly where you're at, where you're going. It also has one of my favorite features, which most chart plotters have, but cookie crumble. So there's a line that's tracking us right now that is out at night. As long as we didn't hit anything throughout the day, we can follow that line back at night and be A-okay. Other functions on the boat, it has an upgraded stereo, it being JL audio. And then the other features of this boat, we don't have floor lights on this boat, but we do have cup holder lights, which gives it some nice ambiance at night coming down. So the VMAX 200 show, we'll show you what it does once we get out of the breaker wall here. So it is a 24-footer. It does seat 13 people. Right now we're running about a full tank of gas and there's 2 people on board. And we want to show you how well it runs. So here we go. Good running boat. We're cruising about 40 at 5,300 RPM. Really, really smooth. Sunchaser makes a really nice boat. It's comfy. It's everything you need. So the nice thing about a triple tune is you can kind of see it'll act like a fiberglass boat. So all your water sports, especially on this boat, can be done. Whether the kids like water skiing, wakeboarding, or tubing. This is something that'll accomplish all the sports in a day. So you can kind of tell on this boat, a family of 13 would have a lot of fun on this boat. So if this is a boat for you guys or another boat that you see in our inventory, give us a call. My number is 716-694-0188. I'm Jim. My extension number is 425. We are going to enjoy our day like everyone else is out here. Thanks, guys.